As you all know that Bangladesh is a small country and thickly populated country, and the land is having many rivers and canals. Now at present in Sylhet, Sunamganj, Netrokona, Jamalpur and in other districts, especially the northern, eastern and western, everywhere submerged underwater and flood is going on. The people are homeless, helpless, foodless, and they are scarcity of water, drinking water.
We are really sorrowful to the misery of the people, those who are affected by the flood in Sylhet areas and also other places in Bangladesh. These activities are immense feeling and utmost try to the misery of the flood affected people of Bangladesh on behalf of Community-Based Medical College Bangladesh Mymensingh. We always keen to serve the affected people as we did previously, like earthquake in Nepal, Sidor affected areas in Bangladesh and many others.
So they are raising funds and they are purchasing foods, clothes and etc. and they are carrying these things to the affected areas for the distressed people. So we need enough fund, and that's why the CBMCB students, community-based medical college students, are arranging funds and they are appealing to you as well for raising the funds. Those who are staying outside the country, especially I will request the CBMCN who are staying outside the country like UK, USA, Australia, New Zealand and anywhere all over the world. I am just appealing you on behalf of these students, on behalf of CBMCB, please come forward and help us so that we can help the distressed people who are really in need of